These are the hottest Cyber Monday tool deals that you're going to find anywhere. A lot of these are better than Black Friday. I'm very surprised by this. Don't miss a one. If you'd like to check any of these out, links in the description and the pinned comment, and the ones that are available on that shop button right over there. You can check those out here on YouTube. Let's go. First up, better than Black Friday. This is the lowest price ever on what I think is the best miter saw for beginners or those on a budget. This was $249 all the way down to only $199. I think this is the best deal on a miter saw that I've seen so far. I love this miter saw. I reviewed it a few months ago on the channel. It is a fantastic miter saw at the regular price, and now at $199, it's an absolute no-brainer if you've been in the market and wanted to get a nice miter saw for your shop. Check this one out. Next up, clamping or positioning squares. If you don't have any of these, or if you need some extras, these are perfect when you're putting two pieces together to hold them, perfectly 90 degrees. What I like these for is when I'm putting cabinets together, those two pieces of plywood coming together. I like to be able to clamp those together so that they don't move while I attach them. I love these. This whole set right here is only $10. This is a one-day only deal. The DeWALT DW735X with the rolling stand. It was $909 on retail, $280 off, down to $629. This sometimes sells out, so I wouldn't delay if you've been thinking about this one. I've seen this deal, when it goes down this low, sell out quite often. So this is a solid deal here at $629. Amazon also, I'll link it on the description. Amazon also has just a planer without the stand for $5.99, so you can save $30. I'll link that one in the description as well. Now, if you're in the market for an upgraded planer, you got to check this one out. I reviewed this one just a few weeks ago. This is an amazing planer. It has a helical head in it, and it has the Wixie digital scale, so you can get very precise and accurate with your thicknessing. I love this thing. I think it's one of the better benchtop planers on the market. It's $100 off right now, $9.99 retail, down to $8.99. I thought this deal was going to end last night, but it keeps going, so I would jump on this one if you're in the market. Next up, lowest price ever on this DeWALT tape measure. It's highly visible. You shouldn't be able to lose this one, right? This was $14 all the way down to $9 now. You can pick up a couple of these for the shop. I like that they have the 1/8 increments indicated on there. Makes it easy just at a quick glance. You're doing 3.5 inches. You just mark it at the half. Pretty nice. I also like how the finger stop is on the bottom. Just a nice all-around tape measure for only $9. Next, the cutest darn little toolbox on the market. This thing is down to only $12 or $12.98. Was $19.98. These are selling out. You can see they're grayed out. A lot of these have sold out. There's only a couple of colors available. If you want one of these, they're perfect for putting drill bits in, router bits, small parts, things like that you just want to keep up with. Keep them all in one spot. I've got 3 of these in the shop. They're just handy in a shirt pocket. If you need some extra storage, though, a little bigger, check out this. There's a few colors here available. This was $269 all the way down to $149. This is a rolling tool cabinet. Has a flip top. I love this thing. I think it's great. It would be a great little tool cart for the shop. Some of these are $199 and some of these are $149 depending on your color. Looks like green and blue are $149 and maybe the red and the other 2 colors are $199. Next up, Milwaukee has several combo kits here on deal for only $349. You're going to save $249 off the retail. You're getting the drill, you're getting the impact, 2 batteries, a charger, and the carry case, plus a free bare tool. So you can pick out whether you wanted the grinder, an extra battery, circular saw, recip saw, and a few other options here available. Solid deals right here. I'll link to this in the description. Next up, the M12 23 gauge pin nailer. This is a great deal. $160 off, 50% off. It was $319 for this combo. Now down to only $159. I may add that one to the cart. Or if you're in the RYOBI platform, I love this Airstrike 18 gauge brad nailer. I have this one. It's a fantastic brad nailer for the shop. This was $199 all the way down to $129. It does include the battery, saving you $70. Before we get to the rest of the deals, I don't want you to miss a single deal on this Cyber Monday sale. So what you should do after this video, of course, go to 731woodworks.com, click on that Tool Deals button. It's going to open this page. I have all of the deals listed right here, as well as the Home Depot and Lowe's Black Friday deals that are still active, a lot of those. Go to this Cyber Monday deal. I've got these sorted in categories to help you find them easier, and there's a bunch of deals here you should not miss. Next, the Bosch Colt router. It's a 1 horsepower trim router. It was $129 all the way down to $79. This is a very good little trim router if you need an extra or you don't have one and you want to do some roundovers and chamfers, things like that. Pick this router up. You won't be disappointed. And speaking of chamfers and roundovers, you're going to need some bits. And this bit set is $2 above the lowest price ever. So it's so close to the lowest price ever, it hurts. It was $137 all the way down to $94. And you get 10 router bits of some of the most common styles that you're going to be using, including the roundover and the chamfer. Good deal here if you need some router bits. If you don't have a Japanese pull saw in your shop, what are you waiting on? Today's the day. This thing was $21 all the way down to $14. This is a very nice saw. If you need one of these, they're handy to use around the shop for a bunch of different reasons. I like having these in the shop as well. So pick this up for only $14. Next up, a precision straight edge is a must-have in the shop. I've got a 50-inch one, which they do have this one also on sale. 25% off any size here. These are great for lining up track saw tracks, lining up your bed on your planer, checking your table saw top to make sure it's flat. These are just great to have for a variety of reasons in the shop. And for 25% off, today's probably the day to pick one up. Next up, my favorite featherboard on the market is the Bow featherboard. I love that they have these foam insert tips that you can replace if you cut them. I've never cut one on accident. So you can actually replace those if they do get nipped. But these are great because they don't mar your wood, so they're not going to leave any marks or anything like that. They keep enough pressure on the fence so you get accurate cuts, and they help prevent kickback. This is a very well made, and they're also easily adjustable. Very well made featherboards if you need one. This was $34, now down to only $27. Just a reminder that the Sjorbergs CNC deal goes out today. So if you've been wanting to get a CNC today on December 2nd, 2024, this ends at midnight if I'm not mistaken. You can save up to $250 off of the CNCs. Plus, what you also get is 15% off everything else, which means if you get a spindle or if you get bits or extra clamps, those are going to be 15% off, plus the money you're saving on the CNCs. If you're asking my recommendation, I like the Sjorbergs 5 Pro. That's the one I have now. But I've also had the Sjorbergs 4 XXL, which is a fantastic CNC as well. You can save $100 off the 4 or $250 off the Pro, as well as some others. I'll link to all of them in the description. If you need some clamps, these are some of the best bar clamps or F clamps, whatever you want to call these, on the market. These are Jorgensen. I love the handle on these. A very nice, beefy handle. 2-pack of 24-inch clamps. These were $36, now down to $29. Or if you want to pick up both, you can also get this 4-pack, which includes a 6-inch and a 12-inch. These two sizes are probably my most common used sizes in the shop. This was $49 all the way down to $33 for all 4. It's getting cold outside, y'all, and I don't want you to be cold. Check this out. You can get up to 40% off of Carhartt hoodies, jackets, sweatshirts, vests, beanies, anything Carhartt that's going to keep you warm. It's probably going to be on this sale at 40% off. I'm a big fan of Carhartt, and I wear it all the time. Next up, the Bosch 12-inch miter saw is $100 off. It was $649, now down to $549. If you've wanting like a higher-end miter saw, this might be worth your consideration for $100 off. Next, this Jet parallel clamp set. This is a 4-pack framings kit. This was $349 all the way down to $199, but if you use the code CYBERDEAL, you also get another $10 off, so only $189. Or if you want to save a little bit more money and you want some Bora clamps, this is a 4-piece set. This was $159 all the way down to $109, but if you also use that code CYBERDEAL, you get $10 more off, so only $99 for 4 parallel clamps. Next up, this deal is sneaky good. The Makita 40-volt XGT 6.5 plunge saw kit. And what you're getting is the charger, the battery, 2 carry cases, and the saw. 1 carry case goes with the battery and the charger. This is $75 off. So if you use the code CYBERDEAL, it goes from $669 all the way down to $594, but you also get if you use the rebate, you can get a free 40-volt impact driver kit with this. Makita's been doing these rebates this year. It's a very cool idea that gives you those free tools on top of the tools you purchase with that rebate. I love it. Or if you just need a corded track saw, this is Makita 6.5 plunge saw with the 55-inch rail. It was $519, $75 off using that code CYBERDEAL, all the way down to $444. And of course, you'll want to pick up a guide rail square with your track saw. I love having these. They're amazing just to be able to quickly break down sheet goods just using that square that edge up. Clamps on to most any track. Check this out. It was $189, 15% off down to $161. This is a TSO guide rail square. I love these things. Now, they usually only go 10% off on their sales. Today it's 15% off, and this does end at midnight. And that includes anything at TSO, 15% off, or TSO products, 15% off. Next up, Milwaukee M12 pack-out floodlight, plus the tower light. Plus, if you use the code CYBERDEAL, you're getting $30 off, so it goes from $308 to $278, but you also get a battery and a charger plus an extra battery. So you're getting 2 batteries, the charger, and that kit plus $30 off. This is a very good deal if you're in the market for some extra work lights. Next up, 1620 Workwear is having a 25% off sale. If you want some American-made, guaranteed for life workwear, check them out. They're 25% off if you use the code BFCM25. I'll put it in the description so you don't have to remember it. But these are very, very high quality workwear if you're in that market. And if you want to support Made in America, here you go. Now there's 3 Sjorbergs Workbenches here. I'm going to just show you one. I'll link to the other 2 in the description. They are a little bit more pricey than this one. This one's $100 off. They also have deals on the Elite and the Elite with the cabinets in them. But this was $500, now only $399. This also includes 2 vices, so one on the side, one on the end, and then you also get the dog holes in that workbench top. Just a good deal here if you've been in the market for a workbench for your shop. And again, I'll link to the more higher end ones down there also. Right now, you can get 50% off this stainless steel rulers with the center finder function. So on one side, you get that center finder, helps you quickly find the center of your boards. And on the other side, it's a standard ruler. These are stainless steel. It's only $8.49 for the 3-pack. We have free shipping on our hardwood kits. You can get these in walnut, cherry, maple, cottonwood, elm. There's a bunch of different species here that you can choose from. What I love about these is the picture of the kit is what you're going to get. So whoever bought this 24-inch walnut charcuterie kit, those 8 boards are exactly what they're going to get in the mail. So all you got to do is look through these, see which one's going to fit you in your project, and you know exactly what you're getting when you order. And these come from our partners up at Old Log and Sawmill right here in Arkansas to help bring you some high-quality hardwoods. I post tool deals all year long, and I also look for them all the time. So make sure you text the word deals to 731-207-7151. I text out the best of the best tool deals to let you know when those are going on sale so you don't miss any. If you like these deals, you got to check out those Black Friday deals right there. Those are still active. A lot of those are still active. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump.